Spine straight, close your eyes, take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in, take a deep breath in, hold it there. Oh, oh, oh. ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यं प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यं। हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलं स्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। वेट्रिवेल् मुरुगनक हर हरो हर भूतनाथ सदानन्द सर्वभूतदयापर रक्ष रक्ष महाबाहो शास्त्रे तुभ्यं नमो नमः। स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा कोमलङ्कूशनं वेणु श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म भासतां पुरतो मम। सायंकाले वनान्ते कुसुमितसमये सैकते चन्द्रिकाया त्रैलोक्याकर्षणाङ्गं सुरवरगणिका मोहनापाङ्गमूर्तिम् सेव्यं शृङ्गारभावैः नवरसभरितैः गोपकन्यासहस्रैः वन्देऽहं रासकेलीरतमतिशुभगं पश्य गोपालकृष्णम् आनीलक्ष्णकेशञ्ज्वलितमकरसत् कुण्डलं मन्दहासस्यन्दार्द्रं कौस्तुभश्रीपरिगतवनमालोरुहाराभिरामम् श्रीवत्साङ्कं सुबाहुं मृदुलसदुदरं काञ्चनच्छायचेलं चारुस्निग्धोरुमम्भोरुहललितपदं भावयेऽहं भवन्तम्। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द। मोक्षाभिसारमय भागवताख्य दग्धो नारायणीय नवनीतमहो गृहीत्वा मायामयौघपरितप्तजनाय योगात् नारायणावनिसुराय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै। गङ्गा गीता च गायत्र्यपि च तुलसिका गोपिका चन्दनन्त सालग्रामाभिपूजा परपुरुष तथैकादशी नाम वर्णाः एतान्यष्टाप्य यत्नान्यपि कलिसमये त्वत्प्रसादप्रवृद्ध्या क्षिप्रं मुक्तिप्रदानीत्यभिदधुरुषयस्तेषु मां सज्जयेत्थाः। हरये नमः। गोपिका जीवनस्मरणं गोविन्द गोविन्द। श्री पोन्नुगुरुवैरप्पने शरणम्। आनन्दचिन्मयने शरणम्। चोटानिकर भगवती अम्मये शरणम्। नारायण अखिलगुरो भगवन् नमस्ते। Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Narayaniam session. We are on this beautiful phase. We are going to do 98th Dashakam today. For the people who are memorizing, it must be very joy to have that Dashakam in the session today. It's a very beautiful Dashakam. So far, we've been seeing Krishna's Anilash Lakshana. Yeah? We have seen from the beginning Surya Spardhi Kirita Murdhvati Lakam. We have seen different descriptions of Krishna. In this Dashakam, it is beyond the physical form description that's going to happen. We have seen even the cosmic description of Krishna in that Dashakam where his father is Patala and where his head is in Satyaloka. So the cosmic form also we have. And it is going parallel with our meditation session if you are following the meditation session. Where first week we did all the Krishnas, the physical form description, the Krishnas we see on our altar in Guruvayur in any temple. Then we slowly progressed further. We saw the cosmic form of Krishna as well. The one which we don't see on the altar, but we can see it externally, but we can still see it. Then now this week we are doing what is this Nirguna Brahma Upasana is happening in our meditation, and now in the class also is going to happen today. So in this particular Dashakam, we will have to chant one verse and leave our seat, get up and do a namaskara, physical namaskara for every verse. Okay. So hold the stamina. How many times you chant? For those many times you have to get up and do the namaskara. Okay. So those who are memorizing it, they are having a nice good time. Because those many times chant to do it. For example, like today we had to post the whole thing, or maybe 4 or 5. But I had to post the whole thing. I had kept it. But before recording that one, I have already recorded 3 times where I found some problems. So that was the 4th recording. So 11 verses into 4 if you do, 44 namaskaras are already over. Okay. So it's a very beautiful in that way where you somewhere now that connect is building. As we are ending, when you are offering, when you feel one pinch physically also, not just yeah. Yeah, we have to take care of that also. If you've injured me or anything, sit and do, but do. So I have got a message, I think. So I didn't see the name quickly. Anyways, yeah. So all that will be there. Knee problem, back problem, headache, fever, all that. So those who can do, please do it. Let us start. Nirguna Brahma Upasana. So
Varshaji,
Krishna,
I have a question. You said you have to do a physical. It's me, Sumana.
it means?
For every chanting, we have to do namaskar. Is it every verse or every line that every time we chant?
Verse.
Every verse
Verse.
is it? Okay.
So there are
Okay.
11 verses in this Dashakam, so 11 namaskaras should happen.
Okay, Varshaji. That's okay. Thank you, Varshaji.
So sit with a nice thing, with the mental, and we'll have to do it. I'll also make space for me over here to do the namaskar. Okay, let us do. So again, meter is continuing Sraddhara only. It's Nishkala Brahma Upasana. Meditation on Nirguna Brahma, the one which is not having any parts. Nishkala. Kala is having parts. Nishkala is not having parts. One phone is there. So that phone is having so many parts. Some screw here, some screw there, and phone cover is there. Whatever is having parts will disintegrate. Body, so many parts. One joint this, one joint that. Somebody said now knee, somebody that. So it's all parts joined together is making one thing. Something which is not joined and make. Something which is as it is. whole thing as one. It doesn't break, it doesn't separate. There is no fear of anything. It's not combined with. So that something which has quality we can imagine. Krishna's blue color, yellow Angavastara, dazzling mala, beautiful Makara Kundala. Immediately we are imagining that Makara Kundala shape, dazzling mala is a shining mukuta. We are with this when it is not going to have this form description. Or if we have to imagine Virata Purusha, where leg is in the Patal and head is in the Satya, like even if we want to close our eyes and imagine the vastness of that, it is beyond that, but still there is something we can imagine. Okay, it's so vast that I don't know now where Satyaloka is and where Patal is. I am on here on Prithvi. Yeah, so we can at least have, but this is going to be something where it is internalized. Okay. So those who are in the meditation group, the first week when I said stage 1 is over, that time we are doing Saguna Brahma Upasana. When we do Saguna, like Krishna is this, Krishna is like this, Krishna is like this, like this, like this, like this, that is dhyana. That is meditation. But this week, we have slowly shifted to the Nirguna. So this is not called actually meditation, what we are doing. This is contemplation. Contemplation and meditation, what will be the difference? So over here, it is done on what the text is saying. Text is nothing but our scriptures are saying on those vakyas. So this is actually Nididhyasana. What we are doing in the second week is a Nididhyasana. So this Nirguna Brahma Upasana which we are going to see, it's a Nididhyasana. Some sentences, see, when we have to meditate, we need some object of meditation. So when we objectify something, okay, then this blue color, Krishna's hand is like this, lotus-like eyes, this like that, and whatever we can imagine. So we are giving an objectification. But in Nirguna, there is no objects. Then on what you will meditate? So then we require our scriptures, our Upanishad texts, which will give the description of that. Either in the form, it is not this, it is not this. Yes, today's, we said, no? Na Panchavayu, na Prana, today, if anybody has done today's meditation. So either by Neti method. So it is on the words of the scriptures. What we are doing currently is above dhyana, above meditation. It's Nididhyasana that we are doing. So all these words are, this chapter is for Nididhyasana. And also our surrender happens to that something that is higher and beyond. Okay, let us start. Okay, sweeter, ready? यस्मिन्नेतद्विभातं यत इदमभवद्येन चेदय्य एतत् एतत् the ending
यस्मिन्नेतद्विभातै यत इदमभवद्येन चेदय्येतत्
योऽस्मादुत्तीर्णरूपः खलु सकलमिदं भासितं यस्य भासा
योऽस्मादुत्तीर्णरूपः खलु सकलमदिं भासति सकलमिदं भासितं यस्य भासा
यो वाचां दूरे पुनरपि मनसा यस्य देवा मुनीन्द्राः
यो वाचान्न यो वाचान्न यो वाचां दूरे पुनरपि मनसां यस्य देवा मुनीन्द्राः
नो विद्युस्तत्त्वरूपं किमु पुनरपरे कृष्ण तस्मै नमस्ते
नो विद्युस्तत्त्वरूपं किमु पुनरपरे कृष्ण तस्मै नमस्ते
गुरुवायुरप्पा शरणम्
गुरुवायूरप्प शरणं
Do get up and do. Now chant, and then when you do it, again you should do.
यस्मिन्नेतद्विभातं यत इदमभवद्येन चेत् एतत् योऽस्मादुत्तीर्णरूपः खलु सकलमिदं भासितं यस्य भासा यो वाचां दूरदूरे पुनरपि मनसा यस्य देवा मुनीन्द्राः नो विद्युत्स्तत्त्वरूपं किमु पुनरपरे कृष्ण तस्मै नमस्ते
Guruvayurappa Sharanam.
गुरुवायूरप्प शरणं
Okay. So, Yasmin, in which etad, this vibhatam shines or manifests. Okay. In which this manifests. So, this means what? This Srishti is manifesting. Yata, idam abhavat. Yataha. Yataha means from. Panchami vibhakti. Idam, this. What is this over here? This universe. Abhavat has become. Yena cha idam. Ya etat. And into which it will merge. Means where this universe only. Second line. Yaha asmat uttirna rupaha. So from this, what has come out, what is transcended, khalu sakalamidam, whatever is there, sakalamidam, whatever is seen over here, bhasitam yasya bhasam. So it is illuminated by whose light? Okay. So by whose light this all is illuminated? One, we'll see the whole thing again. Then further, yo vacham dura dure, vacha. From the description, it's not describable. It's dura dure, far away from even uttering what it is. Punarapi manasam, again by my mind. Yasya devaha munindraha no vidyuhu. The devas and the munis, munindraha, the great muni, greater than the great munis. No vidyuhu tattva rupam. Do not know what is this essentially tattva rupam. Kim puna apare. Then what to tell about others? Krishna, to that Krishna, namaste. I do offer my namaskar. Krishna's description is now like this. We know the Basri wala and the flute wala and all this kind of a thing we would know. This description, from where this universe is coming, from on where this universe is sustained, and from then where this universe is going to go and melt, and where whatever is illumined, from where this illumination is happening, who is throwing light on it, and where we cannot describe, and where the mind is also not reaching, and where devas and the munis, the great sages, the tapasvis also do not understand, no vidyu only. They don't understand. Then kimu pare, what about others? To that Krishna, now Krishna is in this form. What form then? What form you will imagine? So we need words only over here. So this word is, that's why our Shraddha in the text has to be there, because texts are not merely a book like what others in the world would see. For it is God personified in the form of a book. So the Bhagavatam The Bhagavatam's condensed form Narayanyam is not a text. It is showing us, it is Sakshat Krishna only. So our Krishna, now we have to climb one step higher, is no more only in the shape of that Basari, Murlidhara, yellow Pitambara, Vanamalika, shining this, whatever, crown, mala, kundala, bangle, armor, armrest, armlet. Not that only. This also is Krishna. This is also one form. So we are going into that form of Krishna where mind is not going to reach. And we are trying to reach it with the mind. How? Through the words of the books. So this is Nididhyasana. So with this, we have to somewhere elevate our self. यस्मिन्नेतद्विभातं यतैदमभवद्येन चेदय्येतत् योऽस्मादुत्तीर्णरूपः खलु सकलमिदं भासितं यस्य भासा यो वाचां दूरदूरे पुनरपि मनसा यस्य देवा मुनीन्द्राः नो विद्युस्तत्त्वरूपं किमु पुनरपरे कृष्ण तस्मै नमस्ते गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम. Yes, next. Beautiful it is. We all should memorize. One group has memorized it in 11 days. Today is the 11th day for them. They have finished it. No, yesterday was the 11th day. Today they are reproducing it. जन्माथो कर्म नाम स्फुटमिह गुणदोषादिकं वा न यस्मिन्
जन्माथो कर्म नाम स्फुटमिह गुणदोषादिकं वा न यस्मिन्
लोकानामूतये यः स्वयमनुभजते तानि मायानुसारी
लोकानामूतये यः स्वयमनुभजते तानि मायानुसारी
बिभ्रच्छक्तिररूपोऽपि च बहुतररूपो वभात्यद्भुतात्मा
बिभ्रच्छक्तिररूपोऽपि च बहुतररूपो वभात्यद्भुतात्मा
तस्मै कैवल्यधाम्ने पररसपरिपूर्णाय विष्णो नमस्ते गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम्.
तस्मै कैवल्यधाम्ने पररसपरिपूर्णाय विष्णो नमस्ते गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम्. जन्माथो कर्म नाम स्फुटमिह गुणदोषादिकं वा न यस्मिन् लोकानामूतये यः स्वयमनुभजते तानि मायानुसारी बिभ्रच्छक्तिररूपोऽपि च बहुतररूपो भात्यद्भुतात्मा तस्मै कैवल्यधाम्ने पररसपरिपूर्णाय विष्णो नमस्ते गुरुवायूरप्पा.
Yeah, we should enjoy this whole process. Mind and body all employed on Lord. Janma atha, here after what? Janma, atha karma, nama means what? Birth, activities, name. Sphutam iha. Iha means in this world. Sphutam means which is not very clear. Sputa. Sputa is to express. Who is not expressed? Guna doshadikam va. Or who is not having any such qualities also, or any good qualities or bad qualities, means who is beyond the guna. Na yasmin, who is not having. So na janma, na atha, na karma, na nama, na sputam, na guna, na dosham. Who is having like this? who is like this, without any birth, name, or activities, or any guna, dosha, who's not expressed also, so proper. Lokanam, for the sake of people, utaye, to protect, to uplift people, yaha, who, swayam anubhajate, on his own, who expresses, takes all the birth or name or the form, who is not having a form, but for the protection of people, the one who is coming, tani mayanusari, because of his powers of maya, who takes the form. Only gunas are with maya. Gunas are not with Paramatma. Paramatma and maya combination will only express. Whatever we see outside in the world, because it is having a permutation and combination of the gunas, it is having a form. If we minus the gunas, then there is no form. Anything you need, anything you take in the world, whatever we see out in the world is this Panchamahabhuta world, combination with Lord's Shakti, because it is a creation. Creative power of the Lord is Maya. So with Maya, this all has been expressed. Minus Maya, nothing is there. Nothing is there means what? Only Lord is there. Only self is there. Without Nirakara and Nirguna, without any shape and form. Then, Bibhrat, shining, Shakti. So, with his Shakti, with his powers, Vidya, all this power, Arupaha, Shakti hi Arupaha. Did you see Arupa where it is? Bibhrat, Shakti hi Arupaha. Arupaha api. Being Arupa also, being formless also, Bahutara Rupo Avabhati Bhutatma, Adbhutatma. So, being Arupa, being no form, but because of this power and of this Vidya and this Shakti mixed with him, he is taking Bahutara Rupas, and that is a wonder. Atyadbhutatma. It is a greatest wonder. Then, to that, who is like this, to that, Kaivalya Dhamne, where we get Kaivalya. Kaivalya is where nothing is there, only one. Keval means where only Lord is there. That is liberation. Other day, if you have heard the meditation, those who have done, you heard one Swamiji's chanting. That was Kaivalya Upanishad. So that was Swami Paramarthanandaji's chanting. So even if we don't know, but if we listen from the enlightened Mahatma, whatever little bit also is there, we would get it. Somewhere it will get sprinkled on us. So it's very important to bring Mahatmas into our life in some form or the other. So the other day in the meditation, we have brought him into doing this Nirguna Upasana. And amongst all the Upanishads, Kaivalya Upanishad is my favorite. It describes everything. Mandukya is very beautiful, but Mandukya, we'll have to sit very nicely to grasp. And same Mandukya's concept is in Kaivalya Upanishad. And it is so crisp Upanishad, like one can memorize it very easily. And I think one of the earlier, when we used to have the classes in full swing, that time I had Vedanta Vichar or something, I had taken this Upanishad that time. So that is so beautiful. So if anybody wants to just refer the YouTube videos, probably it should be there. I'm not sure that those days I used to upload it or not. I'm not sure. But if not, please lay hands on Kaivalya Upanishad. And there are so many YouTube videos available from different Mahatmas. Systematically go shlok by shlok to do that Upanishad. One must know that Upanishad and, if possible, memorize that Upanishad. It's that beautiful. So the point is, this Kaivalya, from this Kaivalya, we landed up in the Kaivalya Upanishad. We remembered Swami Paramarthanandaji. One who are in Chennai, they are blessed souls. Can go to Swami Paramatmanandaji, don't miss the chance to meet him. So accessible, Swamiji. You can call him and he's the one who will pick the phone at any time. And he's the one who will answer your questions. So if you are in Chennai, lucky, don't miss the chance to see him. One must in life meet him, go to his classes, sit in his class. It crystal clear everything. All concept will become very clear. Okay, coming back over here. Tasmai, Kaivalya Dhamne, the place of Kaivalya. To you, who is the place of Kaivalya? Who is Pararasa Paripurna? Who is that complete bliss? To that Vishnu, Namaste. I offer my namaskar. So now Vishnu is not our Chaturbhuja Vishnu. This Nirakara Vishnu who is only taking, so we have to get this understanding that what I see outside is this Nirakara Vishnu's form, and where Kaivalya is, he is the abode. To that Vishnu, I offer my namaskara. Janmatho karma nama sphutamiha gunadoshadikam vana yasmin लोकानामूतये यस्वयमनुभजते तानि मायानुसारी बिभ्रच्छक्तिररूपोऽपि च बहुतररूपोऽवभात्यद्भुतात्मा तस्मै कैवल्यधाम्ने पररसपरिपूर्णाय विष्णो नमस्ते. गुरुवायुरप्पा शरणम्. Okay. Anish, ready? Notaryanchanna martyanna cha suramasuranna striyanno pumansam.
नोतिर्यञ्चन्न मर्त्यन्न च सुरमसुरन्न स्त्रियन्नो पुमांसम्
द्रव्यं कर्म जातिं गुणमपि सदसद्वापि ते रूपमाहुः.
न द्रव्यं कर्म जातिं गुणमपि सदसद्वापि ते रूपमाहुः
इष्टं यत्स्यान्निषेधे सति निगमशतैर्लक्षणावृत्तितस्तत्
शिष्टं यत्स्वान्निषेधे सति निगमशतैर्लक्षणावृत्तितस्तत्
विच्छ्रेणावेद्यमानं परमसुखमयं भाति तस्मै नमस्ते. गुरुवायुरप्पा शरणम्.
कृच्छ्रेणावेद्यमानं परमसुखमयं भाति तस्मै नमस्ते. गुरुवायुरप्पा शरणम्. नोतिर्यञ्चन्न मर्त्यन्न च सुरमसुरन्न स्त्रियन्नो पुमांसम् न द्रव्यं कर्म जातिं गुणमपि सदसद्वापि ते रूपमाहुः शिष्टं यत्स्वान्निषेधे सति निगमशतैर्लक्षणावृत्तितस्तत् कृच्छ्रेणावेद्यमानं परमसुखमयं भाति तस्मै नमस्ते. गुरुवायुरप्पा.
Good. Thank you, kids. You all have made it so simple. All pronunciations perfect. No, na, Tyrium. Tyrium is one whose spine is not vertical, who is parallel to the ground. Animal world. Human being spine is perpendicular to the ground. So Tyrium. Nacha Martyam. Neither the human beings. Na Suram, gods. Na Asuram, neither the demon. Na Striyam, na Pumansam, neither the female nor the male. Na Dravyam, Karma, Jati. Not of Dravya is any substance, not a karma, any function or the action, not a jati, any species, nor a guna, which is any attribute. It is not that. Sat, asat. It is neither existent sat, it is neither asat, non-existent. Ahuhu, te rupa mahuhu. Your rupa is said like this, which is not bird or animal, deva or asura, human or whatever, stri or this, dravya or karma, gujati or guna, existent or non-existent. Your rupam is said like this. And everything is negated. Shishtam yatsya nishedhe. After not this, not this, not this, nishedhe. After all the nishedha is done, after all not this, not this, not this is been cancelled. Shishtam yatsyat. Whatever is been balanced. Then nigama shataihi, hundreds of Upanishad vakyas, lakshana vritti tastat. They are implying the meaning by lakshana vritti, not the direct. That this is Bhagavan, this is truth. Nobody can say this. The moment you say this is truth, that means you are objectifying it. So all the objects nishedha. Not this, not this, not this, not this, not. And then what is it? What is balance after that? After negating every object possible in the world, what is balance? Is that like that? Who is saying? Upanishad is saying. Kruchrena vedyamanam. Kruchrena, by great difficulty, avedyamanam can be known. That parama sukhamayam, that which is the ultimate infinite bliss, bhati, shines out thereafter. To that, tasmai namaste. To that, my namaskara. So first verse, Krishna namaskara. Vishnu namaskara. Now, what is left after negating everything and what shines? What is so difficult to understand? And we need Upanishad Vakyas to understand that what is shining there after balance. To that, my namaskara. What is shining? What is bhati? What is surfacing up after negation of entire universe? So see, our so simple looking Guruvayurappan, no, it's this. And we think it is very easy. Not easy. Not easy for whom? Not easy for non-believers. Those who don't have Shraddha and faith, very tough. Those who have Shraddha, very easy. Because we can quickly, like Arjuna said, no, this form you just cancel. You just come to my the Chaturbhuja form. I am happy with that form. Like that. So now if you hear all that, okay, fine. This all is you, but you come into the which is tangible to me where I can imagine. But that is Lord. This is what is Nirguna. So beautiful. No tiryan channa martyanna cha suramasuranna striyanno pumansam nadravyan karma jatin gunamapi sadasadvapi te rupamahu shishtai yatsya nishedhe sati nigamashatai lakshana vrittitastat कृच्छ्रेणा वेद्यमानं परमसुखमयं भाति तस्मै नमस्ते गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम्. Okay. Now, the rest of the whole Dashaka, Sahana has to do. Sahana, I can spotlight you. You can open your cap. Cam is open, but not visible. Is it for me or my connection is done? Yeah, visible. Yes. Can see. Good. So number 4. Mayayam bimbitastvam srujasi mahadahankara tanmatra bhedaihi.
मायायां बिम्बितस्त्वं सृजसि महदहङ्कार तन्मात्र भेदैः
भूतग्रामेन्द्रियाद्यैरपि सकल जगत् स्वप्न संकल्पकल्पम्
भूतग्रामेन्द्रियाध्यैरपि सकलजगत् स्वप्नसङ्कल्पकल्पम्
भूयः संहृत्य सर्वं कमठ इव पदान्यात्मना कालशक्त्या
भूयः संहृत्य सर्वं कमठ इव पदान्यात्मना कालशक्त्या
गम्भीरे जायमाने तमसि वितिमिरः If you are not pausing, then tamasi vitimiro bhasi tasmai namaste.
गम्भीरे जायमाने तमसि वितिमिरो भासि तस्मै नमस्ते गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम् मायायां बिम्बितस्त्वं सृजसि महदहङ्कार तन्मात्रभेदैः भूतग्रामेन्द्रियाद्यैरपि सकलजगत् स्वप्नसङ्कल्पकल्पम् भूयः संहृत्य सर्वं कमठ इव पदान्यात्मना कालशक्त्या गम्भीरे जायमाने तमसि वितिमिरो भाति तस्मै नमस्ते गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम्
Awesome. Perfect. So, Maya, Maya's power, Bimbitaha is reflected. Maya, in that Maya, this reflection, Bimba is a reflection, Tvam, your reflection in the Maya, and then Surjasi. Surjasi is like you make it, you create it, you manifest using what? Through what? Mahat, Ahankara, Tanmatra, Bhedaihi, all that. Then Bhuta, all the Pancha Mahabhutas, Bhuta Gramendriyadyair, all that. Then Indriyas also, all Jnanendriya, Karmendriya, everything. You manifest, you srujasi. What? Sakkala Jagat. Entire world you manifest. Not only world. Swapna Sankalpa Kalpam. Also in the Swapna. In the dream, objects are seen, right? Tiger is running, snake is coming, tree falling from airplane, whatever it is by dream. Those all objects are also Surujasi. You are only making it. You are only projecting it. And all the sankalpas, all the thoughts also, everything. And then again, Bhuyaha, Saurutya. You have only projected it. Then you only take it away. Like Sarvam. Everything you only take it away. Like Kamatha Iva. Kamatha is a tortoise. Kamatha Iva, Padani. Padani is the hands and legs of the tortoise. How he withdraws. So you can't make it out then. It has gone into its shell. So Atmana Kala Shaktya. So by the power of your own power of time, you withdraw everything as the time draw. Whole this Srushti, Mahad, Ahankar, Panchatanmatra, Bhuta, whatever, Karmendriyas, Indriyas, everything, you only withdraw. You only project it and you only take it back again. Gambhire Jayamane Tamasi. So when you have withdrawn everything, there is this Gambhira Tamasa. Gambhira means intense darkness that is formed. In that, which is not a Timira, Vitimira, which is without affecting that darkness, what is shining, Bhasi. So in the first word, we heard Bhati. Bhati is a third person. You are shining. No, he is shining. Who? Paramatma is shining. Over here in the fourth verse, Bhasi. Bhasi is you are shining. To that you, Namaste, my pranams. So when everything, the whole world is also samhritya taken, there is this pralaya that has happened. Everything is now going back into Bhagavan. In that, everything in that darkness is there, but you are the one without that darkness. To you, my namaskars. Okay. So one who is untouched by the pralaya, how he will be? Because it's his only, na? Pralaya, Srishti is also his, sustenance is also his, pralaya is also his only. Without his permission, nothing is happening in this world. He is the power behind everything. Mayayam bimbitastvam srujasi mahadahankara tanmatra bhedaihi bhutagramendriyadyayrapi sakala jagat swapna sankalpa kalpam bhuyas samhritya sarvam kamathaiva padanyatmana kala shaktya. Padani, Atmana is the break over there. So we can't say Padan Yatmana. Okay. Pada nyatmana only, that nya only should come sound because padani atmana is the break. So we can't say kamathaiva padani atmana. So if we do like that, then we are breaking the chandas because one extra alphabet will come. So pada, hold that nyatmana kala shaktya. It should go like that. गंभीरे जायमाने तमसि वितिमिरो भासि तस्मै नमस्ते गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम्. Next. शब्द ब्रह्मेति कर्मेत्यनुरिति भगवन् काल इत्यालपन्ति.
शब्द ब्रह्मेति कर्मेत्यनुरिति भगवन् काल इत्यालपन्ति.
त्वामेकं विश्वहेतुं सकलमयतया सर्वथा कल्प्यमानम्.
त्वामेकं विश्वहेतुं सकलमयतया सर्वथा कल्प्यमानम्.
वेदान्तैर्यत्तु गीतं पुरुषपरचितात्माभिधन्तत्तु तत्त्वम्.
वेदान्तैर्यत्तु गीतं पुरुषपरचिदात्माभिधं तत्तु तत्त्वम्.
प्रेक्षामात्रेण मूलप्रकृतिविकृतिकृत् कृष्ण तस्मै नमस्ते गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम्.
प्रेक्षामात्रेण मूल प्रकृतिविकृतिकृत् कृष्ण तस्मै नमस्ते गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम्. शब्द ब्रह्मेति कर्मेति अनुरिति भगवन् काल इत्यालपन्ति. त्वामेकं विश्वहेतुं सकलमयतया सर्वथा कल्प्यमानम्. वेदान्तैर्यत्तु गीतं पुरुषपरचिदात्माभिधं तत्तु तत्त्वम्. प्रेक्षामात्रेण मूल प्रकृतिविकृतिकृत् कृष्ण तस्मै नमस्ते गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम्.
Quite tough to express, but let me try. Shabda Brahmeti, Karma iti, Anu iti, O Bhagavan, O Lord, Kala iti, Alapanti, means Shabda Brahma iti, like that of Om, the first sound. Okay. Karma iti, like that in actions. Anu iti, like as in atom. O Bhagavan, Kala iti, as in time. Alapanti is spoken about. Tvamekam. So in whatever that has been expressed, Tvamekam, you are the one, Ekam, the alone, Vishwahetum, cause of the universe. Vishwahetu, reason for this universe. Sakala Mayataya, in its entirety, being everything, Sarvatha Kalpyamanam. Therefore, you are whatever is in, that's why it is, we can conceive you in this manner. Tree, mountain, this, whatever actions, because you are only pervading all that, we can conceive you in this manner. Vedantaihi, by Vedanta, Yattu Geetam, whatever is being sung about Purusha, Para, Chet, Atma, Abhidham, they have given such various names. Tattu Tattvam. So even that principle, you are that reality, you are that principle alone. Preksha Matrena, by mere glance, Moola Prakruti Vikruti Krut, causing different modifications, Vikruti is modifications in the Moola Prakriti, you are expressing Geetam. It is described like this, O Krishna, to you Namaste. Understood? Whatever is in this universe is you. Different names and forms are there. Everything is given to you in that way, because that way you have been conceivable. But Vedanta gives you by the name Purusha, Chit, Chidatma, in the principle. And with your glance only you have made so much Vikrutis in the Mula Prakriti. To that Krishna I offer my namaskar. Wow. So where gopis are, where Gopikas, Krishna, okay? And there this Krishna, right? My God. Oh, big job. शब्द ब्रह्मेति कर्मेत्यनुरिति भगवन् काल इत्यालपन्ते त्वा. And which is that Krishna then on that battlefield with Arjuna? See his various expressions, same Krishna. As the baby Krishna who is giving Putana moksha. And as the Arjuna's Krishna, and now this Krishna who's giving this Nirguna Brahma. शब्द ब्रह्मेति कर्मेत्यनुरिति भगवन् काल इत्यालपन्ति त्वामेकं विश्वहेतुं सकलमयतया सर्वथा कल्प्यमानम् वेदान्तैर्यत्तु गीतं पुरुषपरचिदात्माभिधन्तत्तु तत्त्वम् प्रेक्षामात्रेण मूलप्रकृतिविकृतिकृत् कृष्ण तस्मै नमस्ते Guruvayurappa Sharanam. Okay, let us go forward. Satvena sattayava cha khalu sada satvena nirvachya rupa.
Satvena sattayava na cha khalu sada satvena nirvachya rupa.
धत्ते या सावविद्या गुणफणिमतिवद् विश्वदृश्यावभासम्
धत्ते या सावविद्या गुणफणिमतिविद् विश्वदृश्यावभासम्
विद्यात्वं सैव याता श्रुतिवचनलवैर्यत्कृपास्यन्दलाभे
विद्यात्वं सैव याता श्रुतिवचनलवैर्यत्कृपास्यन्दलाभे
संसारारण्यसद्यस्तृटनपरशुतामेति तस्मै नमस्ते गुरुवायुरप्पा शरणम्
संसारारण्यसद्यस्तृटनपरशुतामेति तस्मै नमस्ते गुरुवायुरप्पा शरणम् सत्त्वेन सत्तया वा न चु खलु सदसत्त्वेन निर्वाच्य रूपा धत्ते या सावविद्या गुणफणिमतिविद् विश्वदृश्यावभासम् विद्यात्वं सैव याता श्रुतिवचनलवैर्यत्कृपास्यन्दलाभे संसारारण्यसद्यस्तृटनपरशुता मेति तस्मै नमस्ते गुरुवायुरप्पा शरणम्
Parashutam iti. Okay. Now, Satvena, third case, by Sattva. Sattva means by Sat, by existence, by presence. So, Satvena, Asattayava, or by non-existence. Nacha khalu Sada Satvena, or by both existence and non-existence. Nirvachya Rupa. Cannot describe it. And Dhatte means which is understood. Ya asau avidya. Ya savavidya, yantavanta sandhi over there. Ya asau avidya. That avidya is there. Where? Guna. Guna means it's not triguna over here. Over here, guna means a rope. And phani means one who is having a phana. That means a snake. Mati means our buddhi. Vat means like. Like our buddhi, which projects snake on that rope. Vishwa Drushyava Bhasam, the world is seen on him. On what? Which is not existent or both. On Lord it is seen. What is the size of that snake? It would be the size of that rope. Why we are seeing the rope as a snake? Light is not sufficient, ignorance is there. Did we get our heartbeat raised? Yes. Did we get startled? Yes. Were we about to run away? Were we sweating in fear? Yes. Everything happened. Yes. All symptoms were there? Yes. Of fear, everything was there. Short of getting a heart attack only. Then somebody switches on the light. The snake is gone. Rope is seen. Where did the snake go? Snake didn't go anywhere. Why? Because it was not only there in the first place. It was there, it appeared to me. So was the snake there or not there? Sat or asat? No, I felt it was there. But okay, now the light is there. Now where is the snake? But symptoms are there. My heart is still racing. I'm still perspiring. Everything, all the symptom is there. So it is like that. So if you are saying world is there or not, yes, it is there. World is really there. I'm enjoying the world. I had such a lovely Rasagulla. I went to Switzerland trip also. I did this also. World is really there. Really there. Gunaphani Manikat. Gunaphani Mativat. Till how long the world will be there? Till Veda Vakyas and the Guru puts on the light, then we will think, oh, it was Lord only, and I was thinking as it as a world. I didn't see the rope as a rope. I saw it as a snake. Now this has to sink in us. Example is fantastic. But now when we have to apply it on the world, then what happened to my spouse and children and this and that? My job and my house and give reality, as much reality want to give, color it, paint it, and bring more raga, like Arjuna had. The more raga means what? More attachment, then that to come out of that avidya is going to be a problem. But in fact, everything is Lord only. So, vidyatvam, when that vidya comes, sa eva yata, when that light is thrown, vidya, when this ignorance is transforming into the knowledge by Shruti Vachana Lavaihi, by the words of the Shruti Vakyas, Upanishads, Vedas, and Yat Krupasyandalabhe, by the Krupa also has to come along with that. Then this samsara arani, again this arani word has come over here. No, arani is not over here. This is samsara aranya. Samsara aranya sadhyaha immediately trutana, cut off by Parashutam. Parashu, we know Parashuram, correct? So Parashu is the axe. By this axe of knowledge, this forest of samsara that we have created is cut off. To that, my namaskara. So who is that? So namaskara is to that rope and not to that honey. Honey is a mithya. The existence is the rope. But in that dim light, in my ignorance, I have not seen. But now there is light by Shruti Vachana and Guru Krupa. So to that my namaskaras, from whom I have got the light to see what I have to see. So I have to, now we should be prepared to drop our ignorance. Something in the head should change while we are doing this. These last 10 chapters we should contemplate on them so much, so that our relationship with the world becomes a relationship with the Lord and not the relationship with the world. We enjoy the same world as though we are enjoying the presence of the Lord. Earlier we were enjoying the world with the presence of the world. But now we'll have to bring the filter in between. That is Lord. So whatever is there is the Lord. Whatever is there is the Lord. Spouse is Lord, children are Lord, house is Lord, everything is Lord. My experiences in life are Lord. Bringing Lord in between, Jnanam. Not bringing Ajnanam. Ajnanam is equal to Dukkha. Jnanam is equal to Sukha. So we want that permanent happiness. सत्त्वेन सत्तया वा न च खलु सत्त्वेन निर्वाच्य रूपा धत्तेया सावविद्या गुणफणिमतिवद् विश्वदृश्यावभासम् विद्यात्वं सैव याता श्रुतिवचनलवैर्यत्कृपास्यन्दलाभे संसारारण्य सद्यस्तृटन परशुता मेति तस्मै नमस्ते गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम्. Next. भूषासु स्वर्णवद्वा जगति घटशरावादिके मृत्तिकावत्. Half the from down has to go up.
भूषासु स्वर्णवद्वा जगति घटशरावाधिके मृत्तिकावत्
तत्त्वे सञ्चिन्त्यमाने स्फुरति तदधुनाप्यद्वितीयं वपुस्ते
तत्त्वे सञ्चिन्त्यमाने स्फुरति तदधुनाप्यद्वितीयं वपुस्ते
स्वप्नद्रष्टुः प्रबोधे तिमिरलयविधौ जीर्णरज्जोश्च यद्वत्. The th is from that down. The has gone up as th.
स्वप्नद्रष्टुः प्रबोधे तिमिरलयविधौ जीर्णरज्जोश्च यद्वत्
विद्यालाभे तथैव स्फुटमपि विकसेत् कृष्ण तस्मै नमस्ते गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम्.
विद्यालाभे तथैव स्फुटमपि विकसेत् कृष्ण तस्मै नमस्ते गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम्. भूषासु स्वर्णवद्वा जगति घटशरावादिके मृत्तिकावत् तत्त्वे सञ्चिन्त्यमाने स्फुरति तदधुनाप्यद्वितीयं वपुस्ते स्वप्नद्रष्टुः प्रबोधे तिमिरलयविधौ जीर्णरज्जोश्च यद्वत् विद्यालाभे तथैव स्फुटमपि विकसेत् कृष्ण तस्मै नमस्ते गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम्.
Again, that Jirna Rajju is coming over here also, but we will take that. Bhushasu. Bhushas is bhushanas. What are bhushan? Bhushan are the ornaments. Bhushasu, amongst the ornaments. Swarna vadva, like gold in the ornaments. Like that in world, but there is one more example is coming. Ghata, Sharava, all these Ghata, Sharavas or the pots and the vessels, cooking vessels, Sharava Dike, Saptami Vibhakti, in the pots and all the mud pots and other things, what is there? Mrittikavat, like mud, like that Jagati, like that in the world. What? Second line will throw the light. Tattve sanchintyamane, when in all the tattvas, means on the true things, on the nature of the Lord, sanchintyamane, when we reflect, sphurati, it will become visible that it is the Lord. Tad adhuna api advitiyam vapuste. So in this Jagati, your advitiya vapu will be sphurati, is seen when we reflect on what is the true nature. Like how all ornaments have gold, all pots have mud, like that all the things in the world is your body only. How we will come to know? If we will do Tattve Sancintyamane, like now when we are doing that meditation, we are thinking of that Lord in all those forms. So we have graduated from so many small, small things. Now we have graduated to the Nirguna. That all if we question, then only we will get the answer. So in one of the, which class? I think it was in Gita class. Gita class, the exercise was given that start questioning your thoughts. Because at the thought level, the change should happen. We tried to change the circumstance outside. Circumstance, if you change, people around you will change, nothing is going to happen. Neither the people will change, neither the circumstance will change. But if the thought has changed, circumstance changes and that person also changes. And our attitude also changes, that thing also changes. So the sankalpa we will have to check. So today in Narayaniam class also we will start the same exercise what Gita students are doing on Wednesday batch. That question what thought you are holding on to. Why? So if you feel that is not, you should drop those thoughts. But we have left all the thought free in the head. That is not a right way to live. All our actions outside are in the seed form inside first. First a thought has to come, then I act outside. So now the Narayaniam class is happening, but before that I'm thinking, no, 5 o'clock I have to get ready. Class, already it's there in the mind. Today this is the chapter going to say, already it has been in the mind. Last Monday already we asked, oh Sahana, are you available? Already it is at the thought level. So now it is manifested outside. But if it was not put as a thought, would it manifest anytime outside? So the problem with us is we have left all our sankalpas unchecked over here. And we have to question that. So in Gita class, we gave that famous example of the Bharatis. Everybody knows probably that example. If not, I will repeat again. When this marriage Bharat is coming, on that horse, the groom is coming, band is happening, this and that side, the girl side is ready to receive, music and dance is happening. Then there is this one person who has come to eat only food over there. He is also dancing. So boys side are thinking, oh, he must be from the girls side. Girls side are thinking that he must be from the boys side. Then there will be one brilliant old lady in that family who will go and ask, from whose side you are? Moment the question comes, this person disappears from there because before getting caught or beating. So our mind is like that. We have to be like that old woman going and questioning, hey mind, what are you thinking? What is sankalpa? If you are not checking on that, everybody is like mushroom oath. So many thoughts are coming out over there. We will have to question that. Then that clearance in the mind will happen. What thoughts are we holding? And all thoughts we are not aware. Some are deep rooted. They keep on mushrooming over there, growing in the darkness like anything. Then when a circumstance comes, which we have already nurtured knowingly or unknowingly also, that is only coming out as a speech, as an action, as whatever. So as an Narayaniam student, now this has come today. So we will have to now give a thought check. What I don't want to hold on to this thought. We will have to do a mental clearance. So this Tattve Sancintyamane, from this we are going over here. We'll have to bring the thoughts of Tattva only. Narayaniam thoughts, Nirguna Brahma thoughts, Saguna Brahma thoughts, Satsanga thoughts. Let this be cautiously developed in the head. Leave no place for negative thoughts to mushroom. Negativity doesn't come deliberately, okay? Unknowingly in an autopilot mode, it is happening. Manufacturing is going over there 24/7. That factory is on over there. We don't know. So in the Sanchintya we have to do this much groundwork first. Then when we do the Tattva Sanchintya the light will come. But already so much mess is there, then where to start the cleaning is there. So we'll have to all prepare the ground. Then when it will be Agre Pashyami, it will really be Agre Pashyami. Otherwise, we are still cleaning our head. Okay, next. Sapna Drashtu Prabodhe. The one who is seeing the dream, Prabodhe, when he wakes up, that time what happens? Timira Laya Vidhau. Darkness is removed. And that Jirna Rajya, that worn out rope also. So when the light comes, the snake is gone. Oh, this is one old rope only was lying down. I was thinking it was some very senior snake. The Jirna Rajju was a senior snake. Okay, so like that, when Vidyalabha happens, Tathaiva, Yadvat, Jirna Rajjaha, like how it is for the Rajju and the Sarpa, like that, Tathaiva, Tatha Eva, Vidyalabhe. When you get Vidya, Sputamapi Vikaset, immediately it will bloom, immediately it will show up, immediately it will be seen. What? The truth. To that Krishna, my namaskaras. So now Krishna is not only just the Chaturbhuja Krishna, Parabrahman, Nirguna, Nirakara, the substratum of the whole world we are understanding, by whom the whole world is formed, who is the creator, sustainer and destroyer of this world. So what is Brahmaji and Shivji? Part of Krishna only, not separate. This much it is. भूषासु स्वर्णवद्वा जगति घटशरा वादिके मृत्तिकावत् तत्त्वे सञ्चिन्त्यमाने स्फुरति तदधुनाप्यद्वितीयं वपुस्तेः स्वप्नद्रष्टुः प्रबोधे तिमिरलयविधौ जीर्णरज्जोश्च यद्वत् विद्यालाभे तथैव स्फुटमपि विकसेत् Krishna tasmai namaste. Guruvayurappa sharanam. See, next verse is also like that. Yad bhityo deti suryo dahati cha dahat. Excuse me. Sorry. Yadbhityodeति suryo dahati cha dahano vati vayustatthanye.
यद्भीत्योदेति सूर्यो दहति च दहनो वाति वायुस्तथान्ये
यद्भीताः पद्मजाद्याः पुनरुचितबलीनाहरन्तेऽनुकालम्
यद्भीताः पद्मजाद्या पुनरुचितबलीनाहरन्तेऽनुकालम्
येनैवारोपिताः प्राङ् निजपदमपि ते चावितारश्च पश्चात्
येनैवारोपिताः प्राङ् निजपदमपि ते चावितारश्च पश्चात्
तस्मै विश्वन्नियन्त्रे वयमपि भवते कृष्ण कुर्मः प्रणामम् गुरुवायुरप्पा शरणम्
तस्मै विश्वं नियन्त्रे वयमपि भवते कृष्ण कुर्मः प्रणामम् गुरुवायुरप्पा शरणम् यद्भीत्योदेति सूर्यो दहति च दहनो वाति वायुस्तथान्ये यद्भीताः पद्मजाद्या पुनरुचितबलीनाहरन्तेऽनुकालम् येनैवारोपिताः प्राङ् निजपदमपि ते चावितारश्च पश्चात् तस्मै विश्वं नियन्त्रे वयमपि भवते कृष्ण कुर्मः प्रणामम् गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम्
Yet bhitya udeti. By whose fear udeti rises? Who? Sun rises. Dahati cha dahanaha. By whose fear the fire is burning. Vati vayuhu. By whose fear that yad bhitya is applied to all. Vayu is moving, flowing. Wind is flowing. Tatha anye, and like that all others who? In the next line, yad bhitaha, out of fear, Padmaja from the lotus who is born, Padmaja Brahmaji and all, punaha uchita baleen is the offerings, bali chadhana jisko bolte hai, baleen. Uchita baleen, the appropriate offerings. Aharante anukalam. Anukalam, at appropriate time they offer their duties, execute their duties, and do the appropriate work assigned to them. You put in Agni, what Ahuti, it has to reach to that Deva. That Deva's job is to bring the rain. Another Deva's job is to hold the wealth, creation. So many, all department is functional. That's why the world is in function. But this department also is having one boss. Out the fear of that boss is making the sun shine, wind blow, fire burn, etc., etc., etc. This is the meaning of two lines. Next, the third line is Yena eva aropitaha, climbed, prak. Earlier, Nijapadam. Surya has gone to Surya's place, Brahmaji has got, Indra has got a post. They have climbed to these posts. And Chavitaraha Pashad, later they will be taken off these posts also. They have, by whom they have risen to their post and serving as lords, devas, god of the gods, you might think. But okay, he has one boss on top of him. He's not the whole boss. But we think, no, Kubera, this, that, Indra. So they have been risen to their posts and they will be taken down from their posts later. Tasmai, to that, Vishwam Niyantre, one who is having the control on this whole Vishwam, on this whole universe, Vayamapi, we also, Bhavate, to you, O Krishna, Kurmaha Pranamam, we are bowing down to you. You are the controller of the entire universe. So Lord is not just our controller, even everything that we see in the world, He is controller of that, including all the gods, including all the planets. Sun is shining out of fear of the Lord. Just see this phrase, then add. And for us, sun is God. Without sun, we can't do anything. But sun God has his boss, that is our Krishna. He is doing out of his fear. Means everything, all the adhara for the function is our Lord. Yadbhityo suryo dahati cha dahano vati vayustathanye yadbhitah padmajadyah punaruchita bali naharante nukalam येनैवारोपिताः प्राङ् निजपदमपि ते चावितारश्च पश्चात् तस्मै विश्वन्नियन्त्रे वयमपि भवते कृष्ण कुर्मः प्रणामम् गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम् त्रैलोक्यं भावयन्तं त्रिगुणमयमिदं त्र्यक्षरस्यैकवाच्यम्
त्रैलोक्यं भावयन्तं त्रिगुणमयमिदं त्रयक्षरस्यैकवाच्यम्.
Very good. त्रीशानामैक्यरूपं त्रिभिरपि निगमैर्गीयमानस्वरूपम्.
त्रीशानामैक्यरूपम् त्रिभिरपि निगमैर्गीयमानस्वरूपम्.
तिस्रोऽवस्थाविदन्तं त्रियुगजनिजुषं त्रिक्रमाक्रान्तविश्वम्.
तिस्रोऽवस्थाविदन्तम् त्रियुगजनिजुषम् त्रिक्रमाक्रान्तविश्वम्.
Did you say tistro? It is tisro.
तिस्रोऽवस्थाविदन्तम् त्रियुगजनिजुषम् त्रिक्रमाक्रान्तविश्वम्.
Correct. त्रैकाल्ये भेदहीनं त्रिभिरहमनिशं योगभेदैर्भजे त्वाम्. गुरुवायुरप्पा शरणम्.
त्रैकाल्ये भेदहीनम् त्रिभिरहमनिशम् योगभेदैर्भजे त्वम्. I'm sorry. त्रैकाल्ये भेदहीनै त्रिभिरहमनिशम् योगभेदैर्भजे त्वाम्. गुरुवायुरप्पा शरणम्. त्रैलोक्यम् भावयन्तम् त्रिगुणमयमिदम् त्रयक्षरस्यैकवाच्यम्. त्रीशानामैक्यरूपम् त्रिभिरपि निगमैर्गीयमानस्वरूपम्. तिस्रोऽवस्थाविदन्तम् त्रियुगजनिजुषम् त्रिक्रमाक्रान्तविश्वम्. त्रैकाल्ये भेदहीनम् त्रिभिरहमनिशम् योगभेदैर्भजे त्वाम्. गुरुवायुरप्पा शरणम्.
Very nice verse to memorize. No, all three. Very rhyming. So I'm teasing those who are not saying that I can memorize. You can memorize like this small, which is rhyming, easy ones. Do it. Okay. So now, Trilokyam in all the three words. Bhavayantam, who is expressing how Trigunamayamidam through his three gunas. And Trakshara. So it is not Traya. Traya is not there. Triya. Tra half ya. So Trakshara. Also Ksha is a conjunct. So Triya will have a pressure. Trakshara. So Trak, one Ka of that Ksha will come. Trakshara. Traksharas are our Uma. Uma is in Omkara. A represents waking state. U represents dream state. Ma represents deep sleep state. After that, the silence is there. That is beyond the three states. Turiya. So again, this is Mandukya and Kaivalya Upanishad. Omkara is the shortest mantra, which represents the Lord, who is knower of the three states and is beyond the states, who is not a state. We are going between the sleep, dream and waking state. We have to go above the state. So if we say, oh, 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 gap between the two ohms. After Murph, where it finishes, there is a silence. That is that small gap. If we can hold and catch that, that is Turiya. Beyond that is not a state. So in the seat of meditation, we'll be focusing on that. Other day we did in some time when we did the Omkara meditation, we did in that way. Okay. So point over here is one who is represented by those three letters, of those three letters. And Ekavachyam, there is only one meaning. Okay. Trishanam of the three Ishas, of the three gods. Who? Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. Aikya Rupa, who is one. Tribhihi api nigamaihi. So we say 4 Vedas, but actually Veda is one. Then it was Vyasji has divided for our convenience. One which is prose, one which can be sung, one which is having a particular chandas, and Atharva has mixed. But basically, only there are 3 kinds of. So that's why it is said Tribhihi Nigamaihi, 3 Vedas. Tribhihi Nigamaihi, by the 3 Vedas, Giyamana Swarupam, whose Swarupa is that singing form through those Veda Vakyas. Then, Tisro Vastha Vidantam, Vida to know. Tisra Avastha, 3 avasthas, which the same, Jagrat Swapna Sushupti. Who knows? 3 Yuga, Jani Jusham, 3 yugas. He has taken incarnation in all the 3 yugas. Who has taken incarnation? Lord has taken incarnation. And Trikrama Kranta Vishwam, with his 3 steps, who has covered the whole universe. Vamanavatar. Traikalya Bhedahinam, who is not having the past, present, and future, these 3 Bhedas, who doesn't have. Means what? Who is always remaining. We are not the same as we were in our childhood. 20 years from now, we are also not going to be with this body. Body is going to be Jirana Shirana, old. That Jirana Shirana body is also going to go, and we are going to get some other body also thereafter. We are continuing. One who is beyond this time, who is not changing with the time. One who is as it is, the time is not affecting. Time is affecting on us. Us who? Us the body, not us the us. So we'll have to now specify. Traikalya Bhedahinam. Then Tribhihi Aham Anisham Yoga Bhedaihi. Tribhihi Yoga Bhedaihi. With 3 Yoga Bhedas. Difference of 3 Yoga Bhedas. Which are the 3 yogas? Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Bhakti Yoga. Ahar Anisham, day and night. Bhajetvam, I am meditating on you. I always worship you in that form. See how much is our Krishna. We thought only Murli Wala. Huh? We thought only the peacock feather person. See what all he is. Oh my God. Even to take one verse and sit on meditation on that is Nididhyasana, it is called. Okay. Dhyana is on the Saguna. On the Nirguna, it is Nididhyasana. Because Nirguna, you don't get any, you have to take the Veda Vakyas only like this. From the Shruti, from the Smriti, from the Puranas, from Narayana. Like that one phrase we will have to pick up and think and contemplate on that and bring that vision in the head. So sankalpas are changing. See, this is the only way to change our sankalpas. Past now 12 days we are meditating. Past so many days we are doing our Narayanam, memorizing Narayanam. We don't have time for anything else. Thoughts are changing. So when we hold up a sadhana, our thoughts change. People around us would change. Our circumstance change. There is something change happening in us. So we should always hold up a satsang. Yoga bhede bhajetva. We finished the meaning. Yeah. Trailokyam bhavayantam trigunamayamidam triaksharasyaikavacyam trishanamaikya rupam tribhirapi nigamair giyamana swarupam tisro vastha vidantam triyugajani jushan trikramakranta vishwam Traikalye Bhedahinam Tribhirahamanishai Yoga Bhedair Tvam Guruvayurappa Sharanam. Okay, next. Number 10. Satyam Shuddham Vibuddham Jayati Tava Vapur Nityamuktam Niriham.
Satyam Shuddham Vibuddham Jayati Tava Vapur Nityamuktam Niriham.
निर्द्वन्द्वं निर्विकारं निखिलगुणगणव्यञ्जनाधारभूतम्
निर्द्वन्द्वं निर्विकारं निखिलगुणगणव्यञ्जनाधारभूतम्
निर्मूलं निर्मलं तन्निरवधि महिमोल्लासि निर्लीनमन्तर्निस्सङ्गानां मुनीनां निरुपम परमानन्द सान्द्र प्रकाशम्. No stopping at antar. Nirleenam antar nissanganam.
निर्मूलं निर्मलं तन्निरवधि महिमोल्लासि निर्लीनमन्तर्निस्सङ्गानां मुनीनां निरुपमपरमानन्दसान्द्रप्रकाशम्. गुरुवायूरप्पा
शरणम्.
सत्यं शुद्धं विबुद्धं जयति तव वपुर्नित्यमुक्तं निरीहं निर्द्वन्द्वं निर्विकारं निखिलगुणगणव्यञ्जनाधारभूतम् निर्मूलं निर्मलं तन्निरवधि महिमोल्लासि निर्लीनमन्तर्निस्सङ्गानां मुनीनां निरुपमपरमानन्दसान्द्रप्रकाशम्. गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम्.
So in this, Namaskara has not said. Okay. All the verse so far we were ending with, no, Krishna. Namaste, Vishnu Namaste, Bhati Tasmai Namaste, Tasmai Vishwam, Niyantre Namaste, everything. So in this, Namaskara is not said. Next verse also, but Namaskara is not said. So in this, what is said? Jayati Tava Vapu. So may you always be victorious. May your may you be so we say no Shri Bhagwan Shri Ram ki Jai. So this Jai Jai Kara verse, this is. It hails the Lord's this unique form. And this form which is coming over here, it's amazing. Again, nice verse to memorize. We'll see the meaning. Satyam. How is the Lord? Truth. So Trikala Bhadit. Satya means any past, present, future cannot prove it wrong. That is Satya, which is always present. Whatever. Let the time change, let nothing happens on. Satya. Shuddha. Shuddha is what? Very pure. Cannot be mixed with anything. Beyond the Maya. Pure. Vibuddha. Vibuddha is alert, always alert. No place for tamas. No place for any guna only. So Jayati Tava Vapu, may this form of yours, Jayati, be victorious. So and then that whole description is like this only. We'll get all the adjectives. We'll now see one beyond that. Nitya Muktam, one who is always free. Nir-iha, one who is not having any ihas, desires. Nirdvandva, not dual. Everything is Lord only. Nirvikara, who doesn't have any vikaras, is not going to change. Maya brings the changes. One which is Shuddha Sattva doesn't. No vikaras. Nirvikara. Nikhila Guna Gana Vyanjana Dhara Bhutam. Nikhila Guna Gana. All the Nikhila means everything. All the good qualities, Vyanjana Dhara Bhutam. He is the holder, he is the Adhara for all the gunas. Nirmoolam. He doesn't have because of his existence. I have my existence because of my parents. They, like that, it goes. Where? Anadikala. Lord is the causeless cause. Nirmoola. He doesn't have a moola. He is the cause of everything. He is the cause of everything. He doesn't have cause. He is the causeless cause. Nirmoolam. Nirmalam. He is not having any malas. No taints, no defects, no faults. taintless. Anagha, we say that is sinless. Sorry. Niravadhi mahimollasi. Mahima ullasi, niravadhi, unlimited mahima, glory he has. Our glories are small, small. Huh? Nice cooking, good office job, good neighbor. Our small, small glories, limited in our world. Probably now in our this time, neighbor also we might not know who is our neighbor. Huh? So our very circle is very. Lord is not like that. Unlimited glory. Then nirlinaha. Nirlinaha means who is dissolved into everything. In what? We'll come to know. Antaha nissanganam muninam. See, nissanganam muninam antaha. The munis are all the sages. Nissanga muninam, the munis who are free from any kind of attachment. Anta. He is the indweller of those munis who are free from all kinds of attachment. Antar Nissanganam Munina. Are we clear? He stays in their heart. He is there. Nirupama Paramananda Sandra Prakasham. Nirupama, where Upama cannot be said, where we cannot compare. Paramananda, where Ananda, nothing, there is no Ananda beyond that. He is the Parama, highest Ananda. Sandra, he is that Ghana, concentrated, Prakasham, light. So he is that highest blissful light, which cannot be compared to anything. So this is the description of Lord. Such a Lord, Jayatu. So Jai Jaikar of the Lord, there is no Namaskar over. Satyam Shuddham Vibuddham Jayati Tava Vapur Nityamuktam Niriham Nirdvandvan Nirvikaran Nikhila Gunagana Vyanjanadhara Bhutam Nirmulan Nirmalan Tan Niravadhi Mahimollasi Nirlinamantar Nissangana Munina Nirupama Paramananda Sandra Prakasham Guruvayurappa Sharanam. Last verse. Durvaran Dvadasharan Trishata Parimilat Shashti Parvabhivitam.
दुर्वारं द्वादशारं त्रिशतपरिमिलत् षष्टिपर्वाभिवीतम्
Sambhramyat Kruravegang Kshanamanujagadachidya Sandhavamanam.
सम्भ्राम्यत् क्रूरवेगं क्षणमनुजगदाच्छिद्य सन्धावमानम्
चक्रन्ते कालरूपं व्यथयतु न तु मां त्वत्पदैकावलम्बम्
चक्रं ते कालरूपं व्यथयतु न तु मां त्वत्पदैकावलम्बम्
विष्णो कारुण्यसिन्धो पवनपुरपते पाहि सर्वामयौघात् गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम्
विष्णो कारुण्यसिन्धो पवनपुरपते पाहि सर्वामयौघात् गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम् दुर्वारं द्वादशारं त्रिशतपरिमिलत् षष्टिपर्वाभिवीतं सम्भ्राम्यत् क्रूरवेगं क्षणमनुजगदाच्छिद्य सन्धावमानम् चक्रन्ते कालरूपं व्यथयतु न तु मां त्वत्पदैकावलम्बम् विष्णो कारुण्यसिन्धो पवनपुरपते पाहि सर्वामयौघात् गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम्
Durvaram, very tough, very tough. Thank you, Sahana. Nice. It was nice to hear you. Durvaram, Dvadasharam. Ara is the spoke. The wheels have the spoke, right? So Dvadasharam, so 12 spokes. Trishata, 300. Parimilat with Shashti, 360. Parvabhivitam, limbs or the teeth. Sambhramayat Kruravegam, going around with high speed. Kruravega, very frightening speed. Anukshanam, Kshanamanu, Anukshanam, every moment. Jagada Achidya, piercing the world. Sandhavamanam, running always. The time in the form of 12 months and 360 days, it's running, cutting down the universe. What this time? Chakramte, your chakra of in the form of Kala Rupa, the time, that chakra, the wheel of time. Vyathayatu natumam, may it not cause any vyatha to me. Na vyathayatu mam, vyatha, pain. May the time not have its effect on me. The bad time, may it not have effect on me. Ma vyathayatu. Why? Tvat pada eka avalambam. Only to your feet I am having my avalamba. I am holding only your feet. I am at your refuge. So let this time which is running, cutting across the world, let it not have any effect on me. Ma na vyathayatu. Let it not pierce me. Let it not cause any vyatha on me. Difficulty, distress me. O Vishnu, Karunya Sindhu. Sindhu, ocean. Karunya Sindhu, Karuna's ocean. Compassion, ocean of compassion. O Vishnu, Pavanapurapate. O Guruvairappa, Pahi, protect me. Sarva Amaya Oghat, from the flow, from the flux of all kinds of diseases. Protect me. Durvaran Dvadasharan Trishata Parimilat Shashti Parvabhivitam Sambhramyat Krura Vegam Shanamanu Jagada Chidya Sandhavamanam Chakrante Kalarupam Vyathayatu Natuman Tvatpadaikavalambam Vishnu Karunya Sindho Pavanapurapate Pahi Sarvamaya Mukhat Guruvayurappa Sharanam. With his immense kripa, we have completed this as well. Sada Sarvatra Govinda Nama Sankirtanam. Govinda, Govinda, Narayana, Akhila Guru, Bhagavan Namaste. And we have time because daily Gita is put at 7 o'clock. So we have time. Now those who want to volunteer, please raise your hands and chant his names. Let the knowledge be not at information level. We have got some knowledge. It should be used to transform us. Whichever level we are, we should take effort to what we have listened, earned it, to change something inside us. Then it is a knowledge. Otherwise, it will be information. Why only 7 hands? So many people are there. What is this? What is this? Only 8 hands. People don't want to open their camera because don't want to do namaskarams or what? Open up your cameras and raise your hands. And Alma, open your camera, ma. Lata Karthik ji, open your camera. Andal ji, open your camera. So we have 10 people. Oh my God, so many more people are there actually. Two rounds can happen of this chanting. Okay, let's give the verses. Lakshmi ji 1, Sumana ji 2, Padma ji 3, Shobha ji 4, Radha Krishnan ji 5th, Shamala ji 6th, Sita Lakshmi ji 7th, Indra ji 8th, Lata Karthik ji 9, Andal ji 10th, and I think it's Lakshmi ji 11th. Yes. Lakshmi ji, Arjuna Manikaja Lakshmi ji, that Lakshmi ji 11th. Okay, let us start.
यस्मिन्नेतद्विभाते यत इदमभवत्येनैच्छेदं ययेयतत् द्योसामादुत्तीर्णरूपः खलु सकलमिदं भासितं यस्य भासा यो वाचान्तूरदूरे पुनरपि मनसा यस्य देवा मुनीन्द्राः नो विद्युत्स्तत्त्वरूपं किमु पुनरपरे कृष्ण तस्मै नमस्ते गुरायरप्पा शरणम्
जन्माथो कर्म नामा स्फुटमिह गुणदोषादिकौ वान यस्मिन् लोकानामूतये यः स्वयमनुभजते तानि मायानुसारी बिभ्रच्छत्तीररूपोऽपि च बहुतररूपो बिभ्रच्छत्तीररूपोऽपि च बहुतररूपो बिभ्रच्छक्तिररूपोऽपि च
बिभ्रच्छक्तिररूपोऽपि च बहुतररूपो वभात्यद्भुतात्मा
बिभ्रच्छक्तिररूपोऽपि च बहुतररूपो वभात्यद्भुतात्मा तस्मै कैवल्यधाम्ने पररसपरिपूर्णाय विष्णो नमस्ते गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम्
नो तिर्यञ्चन्नमर्त्यन्न च सुरमसुरन्न स्त्रियन्नो पुमांसम् न द्रव्यं कर्म जातिं गुणमपि सदसत्त्वापि ते रूपमाहुः शिष्टै यत्स्यान्निषेधे सति निगमशतैर्लक्षणावृत्तितस्तत् पृच्छ्रेणावेद्यमानं परम सुखमयं भाति तस्मै नमस्ते गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम्
मायायां बिम्बितस्त्वां सृजसि महदहङ्कारतन्मात्रभेदैः भूतग्रामेन्द्रियाद्यैरपि सकलजगत् स्वप्रसङ्कल्पकल्पम् भूयः संहृत्य सर्वं कमठ इव पदान्यात्मना कालशक्त्या गम्भीरे जायमाने तमसि वितिमिरो भासि तस्मै नमस्ते गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम्
शब्दब्रह्मेदि कर्मेत्यणुरिति भगवन् काल इत्यालपन्ति त्वामेगं विश्वहेतुं सकलमयतया सर्वथा कल्प्यमानम् वेदान्तैर्यत्तु गीतं पुरुषपरश्चिदात्माभिदन्तत्वतत्त्वम् प्रेक्षामात्रेण मूलप्रकृतिविकृतिकृत् कृष्ण तस्मै नमस्ते गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम्
Kamala ji, can you unmute and start? switched off your camera. Only mic has to be unmuted, ma. Shamala ji. Sita Lakshmi ji, can you do her verse and your verse? Unmute.
सत्त्वेन सत्तया वा न च खलु सदसत्त्वेन निर्वाच्य रूपा दत्तेया सावविद्या गुणफणिमतिवत् विश्वदृश्यावभासम् विद्या त्वं सैव याता श्रुतिवचनलवै यत्कृपास्यन्धलाभे संसारारण्यसद्यस्तृटतन परशुता मेति तस्मै
संसारारण्य सद्यस्तृटन
संसारारण्यसद्यस्तृटन परशुता मेति तस्मै नमस्ते गुरुवायूरप्पा.
And then don't say maybe. Parashuta, maybe. In that same breath, let it go.
संसारारण्यसद्यस्तृटन परशुतामेति तस्मै नमस्ते गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम्. भूषासु स्वर्णवद्वा जगति घटशरा वादिके मृत्तिकावत् तत्त्वे सञ्चिन्त्यमाने स्फुरति तदधुना यद्वितीयन् वपुस्ते.
Tadadhuna and no gap after pi, because tadadhuna pi advitiyam. So tadadhuna pyadvitiyam napya.
तत्त्वे सञ्चिन्त्यमाने स्फुरति तदधुना यद्वितीयन् वपुस्ते. स्वप्नादृष्टुः प्रबोधे स्वप्नदृष्टुः प्रबोधे तिमिरलयविधौ जीर्णरज्जोश्च यद्वत् विद्यालाभे तथैव स्फुटमपि विकसेत् कृष्ण तस्मै नमस्ते गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम्.
यद्भीत्योदेति सूर्यो दहति च दहनो वाति वायुस्तथान्ये यद्भीतः पद्मजाद्या पुनरुचितबली नाहरन्ते नुकालम् येनैवारोपितः प्राङ्निज पदमपि ते चावितारश्च पश्चात् तस्मै विश्वं नियन्त्रे वयमपि भवते कृष्ण कुर्मः प्रणामम् गुरुवायूरप्पा चरणम्.
त्रैलोक्यं भावयन्तं त्रिगुणमयमिदन्त्यक्षरस्यैकवाच्यं त्रीशानामैक्यरूपं त्रिभिरपि निगमैर्गीयमानस्वरूपम् तिस्रोऽवस्थाविदन्तं त्रियुगजनिजुषं त्रिक्रमाक्रान्तविश्वम् त्रैकाल्ये भेदहीनं त्रिभिरहमनिशं योगभेदैर्भजे त्वाम् गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम्.
सत्यं सुत्तं विभुत्तं जयति तव वपुर्नित्यमुक्तं निरीहं निर्त्वन्त्वं निर्विकारं निखिलगुणगणव्यञ्जानात तारभूतम्
Yanadharabhutam.
दारभूतं निर्मूलं निर्मलं तन्निरवधि महिमोल्लासि निर्लीनमन्द निस्सङ्गानां मुनीनां निरुपम परमानन्द सान्त्रप्रकाशं गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम्।
दुर्वारं द्वादशारं त्रिशतपरिमिलत् षष्टिपर्वाभिवीतं सम्भ्राम्यत् क्रूरवेगं क्षणमनुजगदाच्छिद्य सन्धावमानम् चक्रन्ते कालरूपं व्यथयतु न तु मां त्वत्पदैकावलम्बम् विष्णो कारुण्यसिन्धो पवनपुरपते पाहि सर्वामयौघा तिरुवायूरप्पा शरणम्। सदा सर्वत्र गोविंद नाम संकीर्तनं गोविंदा गोविंद नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते।
Good. Awesome. I hope you all enjoyed as much as I did. Try to memorize, try to catch up phrases from this. And one must hold this Dashakam closest to that. Shobhaji and Radhakrishnan ji, you all had chanted your verses. Oh, then why
Yes,
I was
I have.
okay.
Number 5.
I
So
don't
have
know why. Okay. I don't know somewhere I missed it then. Awesome. Yes, Shamlaji, you couldn't unmute, doesn't matter. Next time you'll get a chance. We'll end this session. Tomorrow we continue at 99. Yay. So, one more step ahead. It's going to be Bhagavan's Mahima Anuvaranam. Again, it's going to be very beautiful. But 98 is the one where you have to memorize it. Yeah, everything is there. In it. Let's end today's session. Get into Daily Gita. So beautiful. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Shri Krishna Arpanamastu Sada Sarvatra Govinda Nama Sankirtanam Govinda Govinda Narayana Akhila Guru Bhagavan Namaste. Hari Om everyone. Thank you for
Hari
joining.
Om.
See you all tomorrow.
Hari Om.
Thank you, Dr. Varsha.
Thank
Hari
you.
Om, Varsha ji.
Hari
Thank you.
Om, Varsha ji. Hari Om. Thank you very much, Varsha ji.
Thank
Sorry, I
you.
made so many mistakes
No,
today.
no. See, you have learned it just now. It's going Sraddhara meter. That too in Nirguna Brahma Upasana. You have done very good. It doesn't matter. Today only you've learned, and today only it has to be okay. It can't be like that. Okay. You are doing good, so don't blame yourself.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Thank you, Varsha-ji. Hari Om.
Thank you, Krishnaji. Hari Om ji. Hari Om Shobhaji. Hari Om.
Hari Om, Varsha ji.
Hari Om Patnaji.
Varsha-ji, I just have a small question, Ji. What is it? You played the Narayana Kavacham meditation. So whose audio we can follow, Ji?
Okay, for Narayana Kavacham, can I again see that and say?
Okay.
I can say. That was nice, right?
Okay.
I'll just check who is the one, because in my head now there are so many things going. I'm not able to exactly pinpoint from where I took Narayan Kavacham. I'll see that and I'll share it over there. In fact, I thought after all the meditation is over to share all from where all I've got the sources to share all that later.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Sita. Virvaram Dvadasharam